Here are the basic things you need for lasagna gardening. You need cow manure or any garden-friendly manure. Cow manure is a major source of nitrogen. You also need dry brown leaves or grass cuttings. Make sure they are dried for a week or so. This is your source of carbon, which is the main component of soil organic matter. Carbon helps in the water retention and defines the soil structure. For your source of nitrogen, you need fresh green leaves from grasses or any green leaves available to you. Avoid leaves of herbal in nature or are antibacterial. These leaves will kill your soil's effective microorganisms, which help in the distribution of nutrients through the roots. Regular garden soil. This is the most basic ingredient for our lasagna gardening. How to do lasagna gardening? Start the bottom layer with a regular garden soil as your base. In a bucket, you can set a 1 inch thick of regular garden soil. Next, add your fresh green leaves. They are a great source of nitrogen, which your plants need. Over the green leaves, sprinkle a thin layer of cow manure. Cow manure is also a good source of nitrogen, but at the same time a good composting agent to quickly process the composting of the green leaves. Over the cow manure, layer your brown leaves or grass cuttings 1 to 2 inches thick. Brown materials are a good source of carbon, which is good for the soil. Then repeat the process with your regular garden soil. You do this layering until your bucket is filled. A good topsoil will help smaller plants, seedlings, or seeds to grow as the layer of materials decompose in 2 to 3 weeks. In this bucket, I decided to plant my ginger seedlings, which actually started in my kitchen. I made sure I soaked the bucket with water to ensure that all layers are moist. In this case, the garden soil I used are already wet, so it did not require so much watering. Thank you for watching and hoping that you learn from this video. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe button to get notified for new video releases.